The gasket is part of your pressure washer's thermal relief valve. It seals the valve to the valve screw. Over time, the gasket can harden and eventually crack. This can cause water to leak from the thermal relief valve. Replacing the gasket is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the thermal relief valve from the pump. With the relief valve body removed, now I can remove the old gasket. I'll use a pick to scrape it out of the relief valve. And now I can install the new gasket. I'll apply some silicone grease to it, and then seat it back into the body. Now I can reinstall the valve and the spring. And now I can reinstall the thermal relief valve back onto the pump. And that's all it takes to install a new gasket in your pressure washer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.